In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export the Cash Flow Manager report from Xero to Excel. We'll move through this smoothly from sign in to opening the finished spreadsheet. Start by logging in to your Xero account using your usual credentials. If you manage more than one organization, make sure the correct one is selected so the report reflects the right business. A stable internet connection helps here, especially if your report covers a lot of data. Once you're in, head to the main menu and click Reporting. This is your hub for all of Xero's reports. From there, look for Cash Flow Manager. It's typically grouped with other cash and performance reports. Open it to see your cash position at a glance. Take a moment to review the cash flow overview on screen. You should see your expected cash in and cash out over time, along with opening balances and projected net cash movement. Confirm that the timeline, currency, and any visible filters match what you want to export. If something looks off, adjust your view within Xero before exporting so the spreadsheet comes out exactly as you expect. This quick check saves rework later. When the on-screen report looks right, find and click Export. You'll usually see this near the top of the report window. A small menu will appear with file format options. Choose Excel. Excel is ideal if you plan to sort, filter, or analyze the data further, or if you want to share it with someone who prefers working in spreadsheets. After selecting Excel, wait while Xero generates the file. You may see a brief loading indicator. Larger reports can take a few moments, so let it finish without clicking multiple times. When it's ready, your browser should begin the download automatically. Next, download the exported spreadsheet. Depending on your browser settings, it may save straight to your default Downloads folder, or you might be asked where to save it. Keep track of the location so you can find it easily. Finally, open the Excel cash flow report on your computer. You can do this from your browser's Downloads list, or by navigating to your Downloads folder and double-clicking the file. If Excel opens it in protected view, enable editing if you trust the source. Once open, scan the worksheet to confirm the figures match what you saw in Xero. You'll typically see columns for dates or periods, cash received, cash spent, and running balances, ready for sorting or charting. That's it. You've logged in, accessed reporting, opened Cash Flow Manager, reviewed the overview, exported to Excel, downloaded the file, and opened your report for analysis.